After a major loss at your home, you must inform your insurance company as soon as possible. If your home is deemed as uninhabitable, you're entitled to alternative accommodation, and your policy will cover for you, your family, and your pets. So you should ask your insurance company to either arrange this or to advance funding for you to arrange this yourself. Your insurance company can also advance a cash payment to cover the expense of food and clothing during this time, but you must keep all receipts. It's normal during this time to want to clean up and get things back to normal as soon as possible, but don't do it. The insurance company's loss adjuster will want to see everything as it is on day one, and by cleaning up and disposing of damaged items, you can be severely damaging your claim. It's a good idea though to take photographs, and when you're ready, start making a list of all the damaged and destroyed items. There's a lot to learn and understand, and Morgan Clark have a free advisory service to explain what you can claim for and guide you through the process. So why not give us a ring?